Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ashafa Islam Johar and I am currently a student in the Department of Software Engineering at Jaipur International University. I am from Mymensingh. I completed my SSC from Premier Idol High School with a CGPA 5 and ACC in 2021 from Advanced Residential Model College with a CGPA 4.83. As a software engineering student, I am currently learning programming languages such as C, C++, Java, which are essential for building a strong foundation in computer science and problem solving. I always try to stay engaged with hand-on practice coding challenge and different teach related project. Apart from my academic studies, actively involved in co-curriculum activities. I am proud member of a DI volunteer club, cybersecurity club, computer programming club. Those clubs have helped me enhance my leadership skill, communication and collaboration with others. Having a laptop is extremely important for my learning journey. It will help me attend online class, work on assignment, practice programming, building project, and take online courses to improve my skill for the future. I sincerely thank Jaipur International University for offering such an incredible opportunity. I am truly grateful to the authority for supporting students like with me and necessary tools to grow and success. Thank you.